viewers, welcome back to another video. This is your friend Vikas Roy. You are watching Crypto Village India. So friends, in this video again we will talk about Tezos blockchain new project Plenty DeFi. But before that, let's take a quick market review of whole crypto market. It is trading almost 2.1 trillion dollars. So, and if you talk about BTC, it is making continuous strong resistance at 48, 49. So what I understand that this is really going to break 50,000 resistance. So, however, this is market. We never know that what will happen. So this is Tezos, and the current price is $3.75. So in my last video also I talked about Tezos blockchain. There are various projects which are coming on Tezos. So if you talk about Plenty DeFi, Plenty is not yet listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. If you want to trade in that, you have to go to Tezos blockchain and website, that is Quipuswap exchange. You have to buy it from there. So here will Plenty is expanding DeFi use cases on Tezos towards a full-scale decentralized financial ecosystem. So as you can see, this is also a DeFi project on Tezos blockchain. So here we will talk about, there are some different pools which are going on, and the current TVL which has been generated on Plenty platform. So this is the TVL which has been generated up to now in different pools, and still it is a beta version, and mainnet is about to come very soon. So you have options to swap, farm, pools and bonds, but for that you must have Plenty in your wallet. So how to trade Plenty, I will show you here by connecting my wallet, and we will visit to Quipuswap platform, and that is so this is swapping in Plenty. Still it is under developing, and this is farm. There are different farming options you have available in this. For example, Plenty XTGLP, Plenty BUSDLP, and some scroll I will show you. You can see the APR APY which is available. So 600 plus APY and 200 plus APR, that matters a lot. So if you have a good quantity, then definitely you can have better reward. And in fact, I am farming in this, but I am in pools. There are different pools available here. You can say if you have Plenty and you can stake it, and you will get 219% of APR. That matters a lot. So but let me tell you one thing, here are some withdrawal charges, so that you can also get how to withdraw, and you will find all these withdrawal charges. So here I am participating in this pool. I have contributed my Plenty and I'm getting 219% APR, and it is not as stable. Actually it keeps on ups and down, but still have a good chance to get good reward. Here HDAO, that is also a very good project, and this is also on Tezos blockchain. I am in both pools available. So this is Quipuswap website where we can buy Plenty by paying XTG. So I have to connect my wallet. So I connected with my Temple wallet, and I will spend some XTG to buy Plenty. We will check first that what is the price of Plenty. So current market price. So if I'm spending 1 XTG, so for that I have to choose XTG first, and here I have to choose Plenty. If you type your spelling PLENTY, it will show you. Yeah, as you can see on the screen. So in 1 XTG I will get here up to 2.42 Plenty. So if we calculate in dollars, it is somewhere around $1.65 per Plenty. So here I will spend 8 XTG just for example only, just to show you, because I have already in my pools. So here I am, spending my XTG just to show you that how you can trade and how you can deploy in the pools. So if I'm spending 8 XTG, I will get 19.4 plenty. So let me to confirm it first, so that now I have proceed. Transaction is under process. So we have to confirm the transaction here, and we'll wait for the confirmation. So let it to execute first, and then we will move to next step. As you can see, bottom right hand corner, it is confirming. It is taking some few seconds, and we need to have some patience, because patience is a key in any activity. So let it to confirm first. So this is Quipuswap. You can see the logo. If you are not aware, you can see, you can identify the logo of Quipuswap. So here it is confirmed, I believe. So my transaction has been confirmed, and I have got 19.42 plenty in my wallet. And now we are on Plenty DeFi website, and we have to contribute in pools. So now I have to click on pools, but before that I have to connect my wallet so that I can contribute my plenty to get 219% reward. So here again I will connect with my wallet. You can connect as per your wallet which you are holding. Since I am using Temple wallet, so obviously I will connect Temple wallet. So now it is connected, and here I have to click on stack, and now it will show, as it is showing my entire quantities, the whole quantity is showing 19.42. So either you have to put quantity manually, or you can click on max, and you need to confirm for the transaction. So here I have to confirm the transaction and need to wait, let it to confirm first. So once this transaction is submitted, then it will automatically confirm it, and then we can go and get the rewards. Yes, so here transaction has been submitted. As you can see in my wallet, I will show you that how many plenty is remaining. So you can see here, yeah, it is still a 19.42. I have to refresh it actually. Yeah, so here we can check transaction hash, as we check our transaction hash on Etherscan. Same way here on TJKT is Tezos platform, where you can check your transaction hash. So now I will refresh it so that it will show my quantity which I have contributed, and I have to start getting my reward. So I have refreshed it. Okay, and now I'll show you that how it is calculating. So in just you see 0.000158, this is my reward up to now in few seconds only. So this is the small quantity, so how it is calculating, but just you imagine, this is just for the example purpose I have contributed here. But if you just imagine, if you are contributing 1000 2000 quantity, so how nicely you can get reward. So this is all about. And if you want to unstake it, simply you need to click on unstake, select your quantity and select stake, and it will proceed to unstake it. So this is all about the pools of Plenty, and for more details I would refer to go to Plenty website, and you can go to the Medium platform as well, where you can get all these information, social medias like Twitter, Telegram. So thank you for watching. Keep subscribe and do like. Thank